We had been going through the path of infertility treatment for the last 7 years. We had so many failed attempts, both here in India and in abroad. One of our family friend who got twin babies from Kraft itself, they suggested us to meet Dr. Ashraf. So we had met sir in Dubai for the first time. We had undergone a couple of tests. After seeing the results, he had referred us to the genetics department head in Kraft, Dr. Ritu. I must say that they have a very well distinguished established genetics department here in Kraft. We were under the treatment of Dr. Ashraf and Dr. Ritu, which we were told by so many famous doctors, very good hospitals, that we won't be able to have a kid of our own. We either have to go for donor or adoption. But Dr. Ritu and Dr. Ashraf, they both, they had the hope and confidence which we never had. So those who are going through traveling through the same path as we are, I must say that before you have met the team of doctors in Kraft, especially if your problem is like unknown, which is our genetic problem, you must see Dr. Ritu, who is the head of the genetics department. She is such a very efficient, very confident lady, I must say. She and Dr. Ashraf, they proved wrong all those who have said that we won't be able to have a kid of our own, which is the example in my hand. We were blessed with a baby girl in April 2018. You shouldn't lose hope. That's my suggestion and advice to the couples out there. Until and unless you have met the team of doctors in Kraft, don't give up hope. There is a way to have a kid of your own. That's my suggestion for all.
This particular couple met me in my Dubai clinic around 2 years back. They were totally depressed because multiple attempts, as she said, 8 times of IVF means it's a long period of time, as well as a huge amount of money also were lost. And then they didn't have any hope when they came to me, because both centers in Bahrain as well as in Cochin, they said there is no way other than going for adoption or donor. Donor means taking somebody else's embryo and then putting into her uterus. Then I was pretty confident, because we had solved this type of crisis even before also. She had a genetic anomaly in her chromosome. That's called a translocation. One bit of chromosome has gone from chromosome number 13 and has gone to stick to the chromosome 18. So these type of patients will, the chance of conception is very, very remote, and if they conceive, it can go for abortion as well. So the only remedy is to go for a PGT. That means do the ICSI, take the embryos, and before transferring the embryos, we remove a few cells from these embryos and then do a prenatal genetic screening especially we have the most modern NGS system, next generation system, which will delineate all the chromosomal errors in the particular embryo. And only those embryo having the full 46 chromosome without any deletions will be only implanting and will only be becoming a healthy baby. So we counseled her for this, and they were ready for it, and then we accumulated embryos in 2 cycles, because we have to have more embryos, then only we can select 1 or 2 good embryos. So we accumulated around 22 embryos, and from that we did the PGT. We got only 1 normal healthy embryo, and that was implanted, and that came as a healthy live baby. So that is in short what we have done in this case. See, the scenario over here or any IVF center is that once they fail 2-3 times, then immediately the patient is brainwashed to go for a donor. And what is donor? Many of the patients doesn't know what is exactly donor means. They think that is a type of treatment again. But of course, some may know that it is coming from a third person. And many are not willing, but many will be forced to do it, because if the doctor says, an expert doctor, the fertility specialist says that there is no way to have a your own baby, means that they will be just opting for it as a last resort. And a couple of months back, we had one patient who failed 4 times donor, and they got their own baby from here. Like that, we have more than 150-200 cases who failed donor and got their own baby, and more than 500 to 1000 couples, I am sure, who were strongly advised for a donor, but they denied it and they came over here and got their own babies. So that is in short the history of this particular patient who came from Kottayam. Thank you.
Kraft Fertility Center, caring